Well, they say stance is everything, and I think it turned out really nice in the end. We rebuilt the entire front end. Andy was on it on Sunday and Monday, did a great job. And yeah, the GT springs give it a nice stance. We got a 1 inch mid-eye drop in the back with the leaf springs. In the front are the GT springs, which is supposed to lower the car a little bit. Might have brought it down a 1/2 inch or so, but I think it turned out really nice. Looks good. And it rides great. The only problem is, the only reason I'm not taking it into Milwaukee today is, which I was gonna do, but if you look, the wheel's a little cocked, so the alignment isn't quite right. I want to get that right before we go into town with it. But yeah, just cruise around here. I think we're okay. But yeah, it turned out wonderful. Rides like a dream. Steers really nice. The steering is super responsive. It really kind of feels like my truck. It doesn't have power steering, but doesn't feel half bad. I did put the roller spring perches on. I got those. I didn't go with the roller idler arm. And we still need to put some new tie rods on it because the tie rods were stripped out. We're using the old tie rods, but they were actually in pretty good shape. If you look up under there, if you can see, it looks pretty good. We've got the 1 inch sway bar in there now. It's a little different than the stock hollow one. Yeah, it feels really, really, really nice. So I'm very happy with it. Forgive the jerky camera. Getting up and down as a cripple doing this is a little hard, but yeah, there you go. Pretty much done for the year. Now you can really tell what needs to be done on it now. The rear end needs help. You can feel it back there. There's some vibration. I'm kind of attributing that to the rear end, but it might be the alignment too. But once that's all fixed up, and I think we're gonna go Eaton True Track on that, I think it'll be nice. But the car drives like a dream. It runs great. Thank you, Andy, for all of your efforts. Thank you, Larry, for all of your efforts, and everybody else who helped out. I think we're about done for the year. That's it. We'll see you next time.